Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing the SKULLPANDA Qixi limited gift set. This gift box is absolutely stunning. This is a canvas tote bag. You can see it's really well packed. This mirror is my favorite item inside the gift box. The SKULLPANDA figure transforms into a rose. Vines twine around the handle of the mirror. Every tiny detail is beautifully crafted. Who wouldn't want to use such a gorgeous mirror to admire themselves? She's absolutely stunning. This canvas tote bag feels a little leathery. All I can say is, it's absolutely gorgeous. It has plenty of space inside. It looks great and is super practical when you head out. Let's take a look at the lipstick. There are 2 lipsticks and 4 lipstick caps. Each lipstick cap has a different pattern. The lipsticks come with original caps, and you can swap them for your favorite ones. It looks stunning with the cap swapped on. Cushion compact. There's also a cushion cover. This SKULLPANDA embossment is stunning. It looks even better on the cushion. Such a beautiful gift set, perfect for gifting or keeping for yourself. Link in bio. Worldwide shipping available. That's all for today's unboxing. Follow me. See you next time. Bye bye.